Hey productizers, in this lesson we're going to talk about how to encourage your happy clients to give you testimonials and referrals. Testimonials and referrals can be a huge factor when you're growing your business. The former, testimonials, gives you great social proof that you can use to better sell to future prospects. The latter, referrals, can be a strong growth engine for your agency. Nailing down a referral process and delighting clients can really snowball your business. But getting testimonials and especially referrals is not easy. People are busy, and even if they're happy with the service you've provided them, asking them to take time out of their day to write a well thought out testimonial is no small ask. And beyond that, people don't generally know someone else who's looking for a website off the top of their head. So getting them to refer you to another contact of theirs can be tough. But if you probe in the right way and possibly incentivize, you can increase the chances that someone will give you a referral. So what we did for JurisPage was actually combine the testimonial process with the referral process. After someone's site launched, we'd ask them to provide feedback on their experience by filling out a quick survey. This is a lower bar to set than asking for a testimonial that they have to create out of thin air. So first, we'd ask how likely they'd be to recommend us to a friend or colleague. That's this part right here. And then we'd ask if the overall experience was positive or negative. Both of these questions are used to prime the pump and put the survey taker in the right mindset. And you can see here the positive experience toggles some additional questions below. So if they respond that the overall experience was positive, we give them the opportunity to send a colleague of theirs a $300 discount on a JurisPage website. So would you like to send a colleague a $300 discount on a JurisPage website? Yes, but remind me later, or no. And also right here we have a quick line that says when they sign, we'll also credit your account $300. So if they refer someone, then we credit them $300 when their referral signs. At that point, if they responded that they'd like to send a colleague a $300 discount, so yes, we show them some additional fields that let them do it right there, and even give them a pre-written email that we can send out on their behalf. So they can fill out their email and their name, and then the referral's email and the referral's name. And then here we have a pre-written email that they can send out, or they can send a custom email, or they can just say that they'll email the referral themselves. So essentially the process is A, try to get them to say they're happy. B, say, okay, if you're happy, why not recommend us and give your friend something and get something for yourself? And then C, say, okay, if you're happy and want to recommend us, why not just do it now through this pre-written email? So all of this lowers the bar to getting referrals. Then the next 4 questions prompt them for answers that usually provide a great testimonial. These questions right here, especially the question, if you were to recommend us to a friend of yours, what would you say? So this is the money question, and as far as getting good testimonials. And then at the bottom here, you ask for their permission to reproduce the testimonial and publish it. And just to show you really quick how the actual referral email works, we'll go in, and that's done with the Gravity Forms notifications. So if we go to Edit Form, and we go to Settings, Notifications, you can see here we have the admin notification, so that tells us that someone sent out a referral and gives us the answers to the 4 testimonial questions. Then we have 2 options for the referral email. One is the standard email that we provide them, and the other is the custom referral email. So if they choose to write a custom referral email, this notification will be sent out to the referral's email address. If they choose to send the standard referral email, then this email notification is sent out. And of course, if you want to implement this form on your own site, we have it downloadable for that. This is actually a Gravity Forms export, so all you have to do is import this form, change the notification email to your own, go through and replace references to JurisPage and to legal websites with references to your company and industry, and you'll have your very own testimonial/referral form. So get this Gravity Forms export at productized.com/DL if you don't have it already. And in the next section, we'll begin our discussion about how to market your business, starting with building an email list. See you there.